straighten out my blade. Try to get to the very tip, and it's hitting the stucco on the back, but you just have to keep working. Now you can work from the bottom up. Now let's see if I can split it. Let's see if I can split it now. Almost had it. I can see I didn't cut through the block all the way, so I have to work on that a little bit more. Got this block split. The bolt is above the rest of the block by about a ½ inch. So I can split off a little bit more. I think I got it. Now let's see if I can wedge that off here. There's the lag. Boy, that lag, they didn't even use a long enough one. That's only 3 inches long. So you've got the 2x4, which is 1.5 inches. You got the stucco, which is another 5/8 of an inch or so. Then you got the OSB, which is another ½ inch or 5/8. There's your 3 inches, right? Before this goes even into the wood behind that. They didn't use long enough flags. I can see that right now. I'm surprised it held up there. And I'm glad I'm deciding to take this off. when I put new legs in, see, I gotta make sure to put them in long enough. I think this one's still, I don't know, seems like it's still hitting or connected. Maybe not. Yep, probably. Okay, Sawzall again, I go. Almost have it. There. Right at the last. Bent my blade again. And my blade is getting hot. You don't want to touch that. It's melting. I hold it there. It's melting the tar. And once it starts getting hot like that, chances are this blade is toast. It's probably pretty dull because I've been trying to cut from the tip down to about there to try to keep it off the stucco. And I can't help hitting the stucco once in a while, and that dulls your blade out. So if you got a Sawzall, make sure you don't just have one blade or a couple blades. You want to have a few different ones. Okay? I even got them for metal cutting, like a hacksaw blade type. There. Voila. I'll go down there and bend the nails and stuff. When I get done, I'll show you what the stucco here looks like. I'm not really too concerned about the bottom over here. I'm going to put a new ledger up there, and this is all going to be underneath the deck. Actually, I'll have to cut this back and clean it up and stuff. First things first, right? I'm going to keep working on this 2x6. Oh, before I do that, I told you I would show you my other Sawzall. And it's right here. Now see, I have extra blades. See that long one? I told you I had a long one, but it's not really that sharp. So that's why I didn't use it. And then they have blades. These are probably 5-6 inches long. But they have some that are about 9 inches, then they have some longer. Had I had the next size up, that would be just about right. Yeah, those are 6. But here's my other one that I use. And you can see it's got a cord on it. And it's the little thing right here. You push on it and put the blade in right there and let go. Make sure it gets hooked all the way. See there? That's ready to go. Look at that. Or you can flip it the other way. And that one happened to come in with a carrying case, and it gave me a couple extra blades that I have in there, and I'll keep those like for if I need them. But right now, I'm going to keep cutting. I think I'm going to change this blade. It's all dull on the tip. And the last time, I don't know if you saw me underneath the house, I used this blade, and I was cutting the backside of some OSB plywood right down over here. You need to watch that. And there was stucco on the outside of it, and I couldn't cut through the stucco. See the blade? Look at the teeth. Teeth used to be nice and sharp, like this over here. Now look over there. They just wore them right on down. But I'm not going to throw that blade away. If I ever did some demo, some sheetrock demo or something, I could use this blade for that, can't I? I don't need a brand new blade for a sheetrock demo. Just jam that into the wall, and away you go. Start cutting your sheetrock. So now both of those are dull, and I happen to have another one. Oh, that one looks brand spanking new. Here's the one for cutting metal. This is a big fat tooth one right there. That could do some damage. I don't know, I might want to save that for another time and use this end one. Maybe I should save that. I don't know. Let's see what I have. See, that's the one that came with it. Those teeth are closer together yet, so I don't think I'm going to use that one. I think I'll use this one. And I just have to be careful with it, and eventually I won't be able to use the tip. But if I'm cutting something else and I'm cutting it straight, I could still cut from here to there. Let's say later on. Okay? Pull this out. Hook it in there, pull on it. And I'm ready to rock and roll. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.